Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here to run through the trade with you on this 11th day of June 2026. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and here's a trade taken in the room today. And if you've been with us any time, you know we love our strong candle indicator that you can only find at Samurai Day Trading. It's this little green triangle right here, pointing upwards, saying go ahead and trade the market towards the top of the screen. That's what we're going to do. So now we need to figure out what targets we're going to use. We look over at the PBI. I expect the next candle to be anywhere between 190 and 230 ticks long. For purposes that YouTube doesn't want us to let us show too much money on any one trade, we'll keep our ATM low. We'll go for 20s, 50s, and 100. You've all seen that before. And all we need to do is have a little bit of a push down, and then we'll put this trade on. So this is how it all went down in the room today. There we go. Close enough. First thing we got to do is put our stop where it belongs. Well, there we go. Until our first target's taken off. Now, what we're going to do is if we get taken out of break even, we got to put another trade on. The market is so hot that it's not unusual for it to come back and take us out of break even, and we have to re-enter again if we want to. So far, that hasn't happened, but we will we'll see. All right, first two targets are out. May not need this extra order after all. But you never know. I mean, this is only the first minute of the candle. You see, it's almost it's 80 ticks long at this point. So we may get a little bit of a retrace, take us out. We're going to make money on this no matter what because our first two targets are out. So we're $450 ahead right now. The worst we're going to do is lose 18 if it comes back and takes out our stop. It's been a wild, wild day today. One candle before we came on to the live trading room was 1,500 ticks long. 1,500. There we go. That takes care of that. All right, that trade took about 90 seconds to complete and was worth 985 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 985 US dollars in 90 seconds, you need to come join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. We look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. God bless you, and we'll see you next time.